here we have this issue. When we logged out from our website, the star icons are not showing. So let's fix it. To fix it, I will go to plugins and click on add new and search code snip, and I will install this WP code plugin. Okay, it's just installed, and then I will go to install plugin and here activate the WP code light plugin, and here now I can add code. So you don't need to code it, I will provide the code. So just click on code snips here and click on add new, then from here click on add custom snip and select PHP snip, and here I will give a code. Just check on the resources section and just put this code like this, and then click on this active and click on save snip. Before you click on it, just don't add any other stuff, only add this code I provide you. If you add other stuff, your website will be break. Then click on save snip. Okay, now if I go to code this snip, here I can see this active snip. So let's edit this and add some title to this snip, so it will be clear when someone try to check our website. I will just add this text and click on update to update it. Now what I do is I go to Elementor and tools, and if your website is correctly show these icons, you don't need to go through this lesson. And here I will just click on clear file and data. Okay, then also click on this sync library button, and then I hover over here and on light speed click on purge all. Then let's open this website in incognito window and see if it work or not. Now it's work perfectly, and now we have completely designed website.